Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete Grab history. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about it, frankly, unfortunately, Grab's app does not offer a direct way to delete your past booking history. The app only displays trips within a limited time frame and number. And older trips become invisible. You can permanently not delete specific booking details within the app. So you can simply access and view your trip history and understand that the data retention the Grab has is according to its own policy. If you want to ensure your data is not being retained, you can delete your Grab account. So if you're using Google service in conjunction with Grab, for example, Google Maps for navigation, you can control your Google activity history and delete specific entries or even all activity. And you should make sure that Grab's privacy policy outlines how it collects and uses your data so you cannot delete your Grab's history. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.